In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your email address on Mailchimp. First, make sure you're signed into your Mailchimp account. Open your browser, go to the Mailchimp website, and log in using your current credentials. Once you're successfully logged in, you'll be taken to your main dashboard, where you can see your campaigns, audiences, and other tools. Now, look toward the top right corner of the screen. You should see your profile icon there. This might be your initials, a small avatar, or a generic profile symbol. Go ahead and click that profile icon. When you click it, a drop-down menu will appear with several options related to your account and settings. From that drop-down, select the option labeled Profile. This will open your profile settings page, where you can manage your basic account information. Give the page a second to load, and you'll see different sections with details like your name, username, and email address. On this profile page, look for the section called Basic Information. Within this section, you'll see the email address currently associated with your Mailchimp account. This is the email that Mailchimp uses for account communication, notifications, and login, unless you're using a connected login like Google. To change it, click the option to edit or update your email address. A field will appear where you can type your new email. Carefully enter the new address you want to use. It's a good idea to double check for any typos because this email will be used to verify your identity and manage your account. Once you've entered the new email address and you're sure it's correct, click the button to save or update your information. After you do this, Mailchimp will send a verification email to the new address you just provided. This is an important security step to make sure you have access to that email. Open a new tab or switch to your email inbox for the new address. Look for a message from Mailchimp asking you to verify the change. If you don't see it right away, check your spam or promotions folder. When you find the email, open it and follow the prompts or click the verification link included. This confirms the new email and completes the update on your account. One important note: if you originally signed up for Mailchimp using a Google login, Mailchimp relies on Google to manage your username, email address, and password. In that case, you won't be able to change those details directly from Mailchimp's profile settings, and you'd need to manage them through your Google account instead. And that's it. Once the verification is complete, your Mailchimp account will be using your new email address.